Hello, my name is KG and I'm here today to present to you IRS2GO. What is IRS2GO? The talk is presented by Ilico Accounting Services and Tax Consulting LLC. First of all, let me talk a little bit about Ilico Accounting Services and Tax Consulting LLC. Is LLC based in Maryland, precisely in Temple Hill, that serve his community. He provide people with accounting services and tax consulting. Um, if you need more information about what we do at Ilico Accounting Services and Tax Consulting, you can visit our website, which is in the left lower corner of your screen right now, highlight in yellow. And we also have our email. You can send us a text for more information. So what exactly is IRS2GO? IRS2GO actually is the official app of the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. So what does you do with the IRS2GO? The app help you to check on your refund status, make payment, get free help, get free tax help, and get some security types too. And in the next pages, we are going to go one by one through those four things so you know exactly how to use them. Like we are at the end of the tax season is in 2 weeks, almost less than 2 weeks I can say, because it's April 18 today, this year, because the 15 is on Friday, so the Monday will be the last day to file your taxes. So let's go directly into the subject. The first one, you can use the app IRS2GO to check on your refund status. What you need three important information here to check your your refund status. The first one is your 9 digits social security, the 9, not the last 4, but the whole social security. You will put in where they say SSN. You start with the 3 number, then the 2, then the 4 other numbers. Then you will select your filing status. It can be like single, head of house, married filing separately, or married filing jointly, what else, qualifying widow. So when you enter properly those information, you need also your refund amount. Excuse me, your refund amount. I mean the amount you received when you went to the professional tax preparer, and after he finish, if you are lucky enough to get the refund back, if you pay your tax really good to get the refund back, you will need to know that amount to put in. After you fill out all the three part of this screen which is showing now, you click on get statute. When you click on get statutes, you may see your exact statue, but in there it consists of three statue you may see in it. You can see like your tax is still being proceed, or your refund is approved and is on its way, or the IRS already sent your refund, and depending on your bank it will take some days to reach your account. So those are the three statutes you can find in when you click on get statute. And the second part, or what you can use the app to do, is to make some payments. And we have three options here to make the payment. First, you can use your bank account. When you want to use your bank account, like your account number and your routing number, you need to click on the first part of it where they say pay directly from your bank account. So when you click on that, you will have some thing to fill out. First of all, they will ask you for the reason you want to make the payment. It can be, they say select the reason, select reason. It can be you already made a payment plan you want to pay on, or you have a balance due you want to pay for, the extension you want to pay your extension, you request for extension, but you know what, even if you request for extension, you still have to estimate your tax to pay, or your estimated tax, like the next one will be on April 15. If you are ready to pay, you have to manage to pay on April 15, or after that you will receive some penalty on the. You can also pay some notice IRS send you in the same app. You can pay for amended return in it, and plenty more stuff you can do with the app. So when you select the amount, the reason you want to pay, you are making the payment, now they will ask you to select the type. It can be like a income tax form 1040, healthcare 1040, retirement plan 5329, or tax forward account. So you still need to make a selection then. And the next part you will make the selection, they will ask you for which year do you want to pay the payment for, which year do you want to pay. Yeah, so it can be like any year from the 2002 to 2021. You can make them in the app. So if you select the year, you click on continue, they will ask you to confirm. Please confirm you have chosen to make. They will tell you what you want to do. You have chosen to make a balance due payment for your income tax form 1040 for tax year 2017, because I choose 2017. Is this correct? If it's correct, then you click on continue. Then after that, they will ask you to select again the tax year for one more time verification. They will ask you to select your filing statute. Then they will request you now to enter your information, your PPI, personal identification information, like your first name, last name, confirm again your last name, your social security number, your date of birth, and so on. Then if you do all that, you have to accept and continue. Then you can enter the amount and the payment information and proceed and pay the IRS That's how the app work for this. And it comes with fees. I think for the bank it comes with fee. If you want to pay with your, how do you call it, debit card or credit card, you have to pay some fees. Like payment, there are three options you can choose to make your payment. The first one is pay by ACI Payment and Corporation, or pay by 1040, or pay by US tax. The first one, which is ACI Payment and Corporation, for if you want to use your debit card, they will charge you $2.20. But if you want to use a credit card, the fee is 1.98%. 1.98%. Like that one, if you are paying 1,000, the fee will be $19.80. And if you want to use pay 1040 is another option, another payment option they offer. The fee is for debit card is $2.50, or you will pay 1.87% of the amount you owe. And if you want to use pay US tax, the fee is $2.55, and the payment by credit card is 1.96%, but the amount cannot be more than the minimum fee. The minimum fee for pay USA is $2.69. The minimum fee for pay 1040 is $2.50, and the other one also is $2.50. The third option, when you click on the third option, is to get more information. They will take you straight to IRS website. You can make your payment plan there and on. The third part of the application is free tax help. Right now IRS have some program in place that help people who cannot get money to go to who cannot afford to go to professional tax preparers. You can look up online for people. The application can help you to identify location you can go to get your tax done for free. So the first one is IRS free file. That one, you have to be your gross income have to be less than 66,000. When you make less than 66,000, you can go there and they will file it for you. The second one also, it help you to locate. The first one, let me clarify this. Like when you click on it, they take you straight to IRS website where there are already some software in place you can use to file your own taxes, but that one you have to make less than 66,000. The second option, when they say here free tax prep site locator, that is also the IRS program. They call it Vital TCE. Vital is volunteer income tax assistance. I work for that program. I volunteer there also. So we help people who make less than 54,000 but cannot afford to go to professional tax preparer and pay them to get their tax prepared. We help them, and we help also elderly people and also those, like you can hear me, I don't speak American English. That means I'm from somewhere, and there are most of people, some people also who does not speak fully English. So we on some of those sites, they have people who maybe speak your language. It can be your native language. Some people there who speak it and can help you through the process and they explain everything for you. The third option is AARP Tax Ed Site Locator. We know the AARP is insurance or is something about elderly people, but they still help other people to get their tax file. But they are specialized, I mean, in issue unique to senior. So you can use the application for those three too. The other thing you can do with the application is to get a key from RX. This feature provides an extra layer of security for users of certain RX online services. For more information, visit the Secure Access. When you go to on the app, you will see the link there. When you click on it, they will take you straight to RX website. So the application, I started using it since 2017 when they launched it. It helped me. I went online, I see most of people comment on it that is not working. But me, when since 2017 when I download on my phone number, I every year I always check my refund on it and it works for me. It worked for me. I didn't try any other else like make a payment or get tax help and stuff like that. I didn't try that now. But I'm pretty sure that can help that will work too. So like for the payment part, what is good about that is you don't have to send now the how do you call a check or a money order to the RS via post office and they may get lost and you cannot pay on time and they will start um, calculating some penalty and interest on the amount you owe. But you already send the how do you call it, you already send the tax, or this time there are no more there are less people who is helping post office now deliver mail. So that may take time, and by the time your check or money order get there, they started already putting some interest or penalty on your money you want to pay. So the app is a really good app you can use to do bunch of stuff. And like um thank you for listening to us, to learning from us. You can always subscribe to our channel so you can get more information when available. Our company, as you know, is Ilico Accounting Services and Tax Consulting LLC, and you can visit our website on www.com, ilicoas.com, and you can also email us on info@ilicoas.com. Thank you. My name again is KG. I'm the managing director at Ilico Accounting Services and Tax Consulting LLC. For those who want to call us also, you can call us on 2407 240 2080, 240 Thank you and be blessed. And I hope this tax season is good for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.